Okay, let's talk through where you would place your stop in the chart shown on the previous page. So where would you place your stop here? The stop rule, as indicated, is 35 pips away from entry. Now obviously we are taking a short here. So 35 pips from entry means 35 pips above entry. So entry is on this dotted line right here. And remember, when we are reading pips, this reads 1.03105, but we know that the fourth decimal place is a full pip. So we only pay attention to the 1.0310. So if I want to go 35 pips above, I will simply follow the y-axis. So 1.0317 is 7 pips higher. 1.0324 is 14 pips higher than the entry. 1.0331 is 21 pips higher. 1.0338 is 28 pips higher. And 1.0345 is 35 pips higher. 1.0345 minus 1.0310 is 35. Now of course, when we're looking at pips, we look at the fourth decimal place as being a full pip. So the 1.0345 minus the 1.0310 is 0.0035. That equals 35 pips. Now if you have any queries about that, you can look over module 1 where we discuss pips. So we will place the stop as indicated, which if you follow the dotted lines goes to the 1.0345 price. I hope you got that right. If you didn't, you may want to go over the stop loss section again and also module 1 where we discuss pips, and make sure you understand what was covered. If you did, then please continue to the next page and we'll go through another example.